Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to enable camera access on Dola AI application. So first of all, launch Dola AI app on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on the profile category at the bottom right. And once you come here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now, once you come here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Privacy and Access. From here, tap on the option of Camera. Now, go ahead and tap on Settings on this pop-up. Now, once you come to App Info page, go ahead and tap on Permissions. Now, from here, tap on Camera. Now, in case if the option is selected for Don't Allow in your case, make sure you choose this first option, that is, Allow while using the app. So, if you follow these simple steps, you will be able to enable camera access on your Dola AI account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.